Hey everyone, I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for accounts receivable. In this tutorial, I will explain how NetSuite tracks general ledger changes through transaction system nodes. So let's get started. Some key points before I start is that changes affecting the general ledger create system nodes. You can view these changes on the System Information subtab of transaction. So if, for example, I go to Invoices, then I will open an invoice. So for example, I'm on this invoice. If I go in Audit Trail Workflow, you can see the system notes and you can see the columns Old Value and New Value to see what changes happened. You can search the system notes. You can use the Transaction Audit Trail and System Note searches to monitor changes. It helps in auditing and avoiding unexpected postings. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. There are steps obviously to view and search the system nodes. You can view here the different changes, and then it will open subtab that will show you more information. You can perform searches using transaction audit trail within specific dates or period. For example, here I can search for a specific field on this one. And if I go transaction audit trail, you can see here, so you can do more research here. Remember, you can control system nodes generation using the log system nodes on updates only setting. So if you go to setup, company, general preferences, you will have that log system nodes on update only. Don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter in the comments for NetSuite tips and tutorials, and see you in the next one.